Hey everyone, it's Sammy from Scrapmaster's Paradise, and I have got a scrapbook room tour for you guys. I finally got my Ikea furniture. It came a week late, and so it took me a while to get this video ready because I had to set up the room. So here is a quick overview of everything. I'm not going to dig into all the containers quite yet because they're not organized exactly how I want them. Since I moved everything down and I'm going to be scrapbooking at the corner, it changes the drawers. So I've got to figure out what I want, within easy reach. And I can also access all the stuff on the top. So let's go ahead and walk through everything starting over here. I had this little shelf against that wall. This desk was pushed up against the window, so I had to move everything around just a little bit. I've got my ink up here. This is an Organize More container that I picked up. I've got my Epson PictureMate over there, and then pretty much randomness in the bins. I've got extra printer, papers and inks in there, ribbon and twine, extra stuff for prizes, planners and notebooks, big shot things, stamps, all sorts of stuff. And then I put my big shot over here, so the desk had a little bit more space on this side, and I didn't want to lose that extra space, so I just slid the Alex drawer unit over so I could have this space. I still need to remove the little felt things and remove some of the sticky because those little sticker things slide around. These Alex drawers come with these little bumper things in case you want to put the desk on top. And the lighting's really wonky. Sorry, my white balance was really messed up, but anyway, I've got to remove the sticky on those sides since I don't need the bumpers anymore. Since I slid it all the way down, I have the entire length of this wall as desk space, which I love. For now, I'm just putting my big shot there. Obviously, I'll have to move it out when I'm actually using it because this is a really tight squeeze for the handle right there. And I'm still kind of undecided about exactly how I'm going to put all of this other stuff, but I want to be able to reach some stuff. I'm probably going to have to tweak this here and there, but I knew I wanted my paper cutter close, some of these tools close, like my adhesive and scissors and pens and stuff. And I still have my mount up there. I got this shelf at World Market, and then this is just a quick grip clamp for like woodworking and stuff. I just took it from my husband's stuff. And then my tripod, so I can just mount that up there. This is my loose tripod. They're the same exact thing. I just cut the top of it off for the overhead mount. And these are from Amazon Basics. I will link to that. And then this is my camera AC adapter so it can plug in. I don't have to use the rechargeable batteries. Then I've got my Ikea lights that I can use if I'm scrapbooking at night. I can just swing these around and use them. And then these chairs I actually got at Staples, and I had gotten one for the downstairs room and just loved it. So I've got two for up here. I'm going to get different casters for them since we're on the hardwood floor. I don't want them to scratch the hardwood floor. Down there I've got my paper shredder and my garbage can, and I still haven't decided what exactly is going to go in this drawer close to me. The shelf is pretty much the same, except I moved some stuff around so that Johnny can have some shelves in here too. He's going to be able to use these for, I'm going to put those stamps in one of the drawers. I've got plenty of room for that, and then they'll be within easy reach for me as well. So it's just all my Project Lifestyle stamps with alphabets and dates and stuff. And then over here we've got the desktop computer, and then I use this for shipping. I've got my little Dymo there for shipping labels. And then the printer's down there with the computer tower. And then these two drawers just have randomness in them right now. I think it's got attachments for our vacuum cleaner and stuff right now. I've got to just wipe them down, and then he can arrange these how he wants them. And he's got a lot of electronics tinkering stuff that he will have over here too. So I know he's got bins he can put on the top there for his organizing stuff. And then that's pretty much the room how it is right now. The closet is a disaster, but I've got my studio lights squished in there, so they're not always out. I use those sometimes at night or when the weather's really bad and I need to film something. But I really just love the setup. We just got it set up a couple nights ago. My mom's here, so we're not really in here very much right now, but I cannot wait to get this room set up just the way we want it, and I cannot wait to get back to scrapbooking. I really just love the setup, and I think it's going to be really nice to use. So this is kind of the same thing I've had going before. All of these containers came from Target. I've moved the labels around here and there, but I just really like the setup. So I may end up scooting a lot of this stuff down so I can reach it. The problem is when I'm sitting here, I can't really reach that back corner very well. And so I'm thinking of maybe leaving them on that side. And then there's a gap here, so I can't really store anything against this and against the window part. So I'll have to figure out what I want to do with that. And I think at some point we will get more of the Alex drawers for this side and for his sides too. Maybe just one for the middle part and one for there. We haven't really decided that part yet. I just wanted to get a feel for the setup, and so the door's right here. There's a good bit of space between the door and the desk, so I just really, really like how it's set up. It looks so big in this room with all the white. I think it makes the room look really nice and airy. This is a Jack and Jill room, so it's got the sink there for easy access to clean stamps and things if I'm using anything messy. But I just really, really like the setup. I think it's going to work really nicely that he can be in here tinkering and I can be in here scrapbooking, and we'll be in the same room, but we'll be able to do our own things. I really just like that idea. If you will remember, I think my very first scrapbook video is a scrapbook room tour, and at that point in time we shared a room and it worked really nicely. So I'm hoping we can go back to that and enjoy it. So I hope you guys liked this look. If you're interested in me going through like all the drawers and everything and talking in more detail on everything, let me know and I can do that at some point. When I get the drawers all organized, I can definitely do that for you guys. I hope you guys are well. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.